70 pounds of pressure, low flow. But if he gets it in, the gauge will go up to 70. All right. Now, do you want me to open this thing up?
that was pretty easy. I'm not gonna lie.
Okay. We got 70 pounds of pressure, and it's going to be a lot of water here.
What was it before?
It was 70, but I had it throttled down where it was barely leaking. So now you're going to have full flow, like you pull one off a real live system. So when this pulls out, you'll be about 50. Holding up a horizontal. Horizontal, there you go. Like that. Okay, let me see it. Tell me. Nice job.
From the side.
Good job. Deer in the headlights. All right, Brandon's turn.
That's a little bit harder.
Let's go ahead and shut that. Famous last words.
No.
Okay, 70 pounds of pressure. All right. All right, Brandon's gonna try to beat my record. Of course, I was at 80 and this is only at 68, so you'll never really get there. Is anybody timing him? Oh, yeah. Should we switch to a valve with a better thread? All right, 43 seconds.
It's my first.
All right, here we go. 68 pounds, new valve. Seconds. All right.